All right, so does straw stop weeds from growing? No. Kinda. It kind of works if you put it on deep enough, thick enough, um, which I didn't. So let me show you the garden here. All right, so hopefully you guys can see that it is so humid out here today. It was about 35 degrees Celsius. We got a ton of rain. I think more rain's coming. So I went ahead a week before May long weekend up here in Canada. I planted pretty much half my garden, well, less than half. Tarped off a bunch of it. I came with the, or saw the idea of using straw, so not hay, but straw without the seed, for covering for weeds. So it worked pretty good here through the rows. You know, I kind of opened it up a little bit near where my corn is here. And I got peas and beans here, carrots, and then I got some, I put a bunch of tomatoes and other stuff in those planters there. They're doing quite well. But on the other side, I wanted to, cover it. And now looking back, I should have just done that. But it was a good little experiment. It kind of worked, kind of didn't. Where I put it really thick, it wasn't bad. But I will say the grass that's coming up, it's coming up in like big clumps, and it can be removed pretty easy. But I think I'm going to do what I'm doing there. I'm just going to cover it, kill everything. I think that's the best way to do it. And there's wood chips in between. We just got massive rain, so that'll happen.